Hi friends, in this episode I will provide information on a vegetable made of leaves but is not considered as a leafy vegetable, cabbage. Welcome to Planting Nature friends. Cabbage is native to southern or western Europe. It belongs to a mustard family called Brassicaceae. The scientific name is Brassica oleracea. In fact, the scientific name of cauliflower, kale, broccoli is also Brassica oleracea because all these plants are modified forms of the plant wild cabbage. However, they are grouped differently. Cabbage is grouped under Capitata group. All these plants are collectively called as cole crops or simply cruciferous vegetables. Cabbage is a biennial plant which can live up to 2 years. First year it concentrates more on storing water and other nutrients in the leaves to use them in the second year in development of flowers and seeds. Cabbage can grow up to 16 to 24 inches in height in the first year. In the second year, it can grow up to 1.5 to 2 meters as the stem elongates to hold the flowers. Generally, two types of leaves can be seen. The initial leaves are rosette shaped, usually 7 to 15. The leaves which emerge later are very close to each other. These leaves form the head of the cabbage by cupping inward. These can be seen in various colors: white, green, purple, etc. The leaves are fleshy and crunchy. The stem is very short until flowering. The flowers are usually white to yellow in color, usually bisexual, and are arranged in the form of a raceme. The seeds are very small, brown to black in color, usually round in shape. Cabbage is a low-calorie vegetable with high vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It consists of around 92% of water, 6% of carbohydrate, and 1% of protein. The fat is negligible. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, folate, etc. It can provide 44% of daily requirements of vitamin C, 72% of daily requirement of vitamin K, 10% of daily requirements of vitamin B6 and folate. Cabbage can be eaten in various forms. It can be eaten raw, steamed, pickled, stewed, curried, etc. And the most beneficial aspect of this vegetable is it can be stored for a long time under refrigeration. Under 2 degrees centigrade, it can be stored for around 6 months. Now let us look at some of the health benefits of cabbage. Cabbage can lower the risk of cancer, especially bladder, colon, rectal, stomach, pancreatic, and prostate related cancer. The soluble fiber and plant sterols helps in decreasing the bad cholesterol from the blood. Consuming cabbage can reduce chronic inflammation. The vitamin C protects from the free radicals and also helps in building a strong immunity. The insoluble fiber will help in improvement of the digestion. The vitamin K content helps in proper blood clotting functioning and also helps in formation of a healthy bones and teeth. Cabbage is also very good for weight loss and beautiful skin. The beta carotene prevents the macular degeneration and helps in prevention of cataract of eyes. Cabbage also has the healing effect on joint pains in the people suffering with osteoarthritis. Applying the cabbage leaf wraps to the knees or joints for at least 2 hours for a month can reduce the pain. Cabbage also has a bonus advantage for alcohol drinkers. It is used as a cure for hangover. Ancient Egyptians used to eat cabbage before beginning of their meal to reduce the intoxicating effect of wine. Boiling the cabbage leaves and drinking its juice relieves the hangover. Now let's look at some of the disadvantages of eating cabbage. Excessive consumption may lead to intestinal gas, leading to bloating and flatulence. There is some evidence that cabbage can affect sugar levels. Watch for the low sugar levels. So if you are suffering with low sugar level, stop consuming cabbage for at least 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. Cabbage might worsen the condition in people suffering with underactive thyroid gland. So make sure you know what you are eating and how much you are consuming. Production. China is leading the world's cabbage production, followed by India and Russia. Cabbage is grown through seeds. It can be easily grown in containers as well. Transplanting is recommended. Transplanting can be done when the plant is about 3 to 4 inches, which usually takes 3 to 4 weeks. The best temperature to grow is around 15 to 30 degrees centigrade. It cannot tolerate high frost or high temperature. So that's all for now. If you like the information, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page and try growing cabbage in your home. Thank you.